You're not gonna make it. No, you're not gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it. Look. Yeah!
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Hi, my name is Jean-Luc Ambouyou from iKeys, Mauritius. I'm here today with Lindy. Good morning, Lindy. How are you today?
Good morning, Jean-Luc. I'm very well, thank you. And how are you?
I'm very fine. You know, it's a beautiful day. It's sunny. I love it. So, what are we doing today?
So today we are going to visit a magnificent villa on the west coast of Mauritius in a residential area called Black Rock.
Good, good.
So are you guys ready? Let's check it out.
Got it on record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record.
Jean-Luc, close your eyes.
Yeah?
Okay, you can come in now.
Yeah, help me.
Okay, come in.
Okay.
Okay, you can open your eyes.
Wow, what a view!
I
love
know.
it. Guys, look at the view. Just amazing, isn't it?
That's a joke. Tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, fuck out the back. Brody plot, we'll get a whack. Contract, give me the max.
Let's move on to the kitchen. We've got a very modern kitchen, very spacious.
Love it. A lot of space.
Indeed, even the floor, we've got a very concrete wax kind of look. And look at those lights. These are very nice. I love it. I love this space. Look at that, Jean-Luc. It makes me want to cook something. Would you like me to make you some pastries?
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I love it.
No, I'm kidding. I'm really bad at pastries. So choose something else.
Make me a fondant au chocolat. Do you know? I don't know what is it in English. Sorry, guys. I don't really good speak English. Google Translate.
So Jean-Luc, we came in from the front door, which is the main entrance from the beginning. So I'm going to show you the second entrance of the house. Come with me. And look at the painting.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that amazing? Look at that. I love it.
Yeah, a lot of color. I love it too.
So this is the TV room. And yes, we've got a pool table for you guys. I love this. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And how about the couch, Jean-Luc? Is it comfortable?
Yeah, very comfortable, Lindy.
Don't get too comfy. We still need to complete the visit.
I know.
We are in the master bedroom and we cannot miss this. How are we going to make them feel how it feels like?
I don't know. Maybe the cameraman can go on the bed. Can you go on the bed and show them how it feels like, please?
Shamelessly displaying my state of mind, but you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Ooh, show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul, can't you see it's way past time?
Jean-Luc, as you can see, it feels so good to be in this house. Yeah. Look at the view, and we've got an 18 meters pool and view on the mountain, view on La Tourelle mountain.
I love it.
I wish I could be here every day.
So Lindy, you brought me here. Can you tell us the three assets of this villa?
Yes, of course. So firstly, we've got an amazing view of 180 degrees for this villa. Mountain and sea view. Secondly, it's located in a beautiful residential area in the High of Tamarin. And last point, I would say, is the interior decoration of the house. Yes,
Sure.
I love it. So guys, the good news is that this villa is ready right now for rent and it can be yours. So do not hesitate to contact us on this number. Bye!
Baby,